How to change the key fob battery in a Renault Kangoo key fob. This is from a 2024. Should work for a lot of different Renaults. But anyways, all we need is a 2032 battery, our key, and then a little flat screwdriver or something like this. This is actually a little Phillips. It would be better if it was flat, but it's going to do the trick just fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this key, and we see that on the one end we have this little hole here. What we're going to do is we're going to take the back. This is the front and the back. We're going to push this towards that hole, and it's going to pop it loose like this. So you see now, and now from here I can just open this up. And then this battery has this the battery's underneath this cover, so there's this secondary cover that I'm just gonna, you can probably do this with your finger, but just get in there with a screwdriver and pop it up, and then the battery is right in here. So then we're just gonna come in and do the same thing, pop it out, like that. And then we're just gonna come in with our new battery, positive side out, positive side up, slide it into this little plastic thing holding it in there and push it down. And then all we need to do is come in and pop everything back together. Pop that there like that. Come in here and then slide it all back together. And we are done.